one, this is the dual sandwich maker by Culinary Tools. It's pretty simple product here. It's open up. The levers here, the open and close. It's open to sandwich there. First thing you do is plug it in. We'll start the preheat. 15 minutes, and once it's done, you're gonna have it shut off. Okay, so now it's preheated, so we're gonna open it up. So you know, easy to see. Flips up and pops up. The bottom is the same thing first. Square cheese doesn't quite fit on the side, so it's right on the base. Put your cheeses in, you put your meat in. I've got here just a Walmart. Use sausage, you can do whatever you want. When the top's closed, put your egg in. And with the egg, you want to break it up a little bit so that the sandwich maker can close. Make it a nice, well cooked piece of it. Close the lid. Set a timer. I'm good for 5 minutes. And then let it cook. Okay, so it's all finished and it'll just start beeping. So once that's done, you can push these buttons to make it stop. So you just open it up, and flip these out. Do this. And there you go. Throw it on a plate and you've got a really nice breakfast sandwich.
Egg cookers. Hi, I'm Clay with Dash. Cooking eggs with our egg cookers is super easy. And I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks on how to make perfect eggs every time. Alright, first let me show you how easy it is to make eggs. All you're going to do is use the little pin on the bottom of the cup to pierce the wide side of each egg. Fill up your egg cooker and then fill up your cup with the right amount of water for the number of eggs you have. Then you just pour the water right onto the heating plate, put the lid on, and turn the machine on. And then you just have to wait for the little chime and your eggs are done. Why do you pierce eggs? That's a great question. Have you noticed when you get your eggs home from the grocery store, they're always wide side up? That's because there's a little pocket of air in that side of the egg. When we use the pin to prick the eggs, it's going to do 3 things by releasing that air. 1, it's going to make the egg easier to peel. 2, it's going to prevent the egg from cracking under the heat. And 3, it will make it so you don't cook an egg with a flat side on the top. While these eggs are cooking, let me talk about the egg cup. Now, if you got a large egg cooker, it will come with a large egg cup. And if you read the side, you might be thinking, why does it take less water to cook more eggs? I know it's confusing, but it's physics, which I'm using. Less eggs take up less space, which means there needs to be more steam to cook them. Make sense? Speaking of science, if you live at a high altitude, then water is going to boil at a lower temperature, which means you might need slightly more water to cook the eggs. My eggs are done. Now that they're finished cooking, I would suggest putting them in some cold water, which will stop the cooking so you get really yellow yolks. It's also going to make them slightly easier to peel. That's a perfect egg. And that's it!
How do you open tough jar lids? Do you try this one? Or this one? Or how about this one?
Honey,
This is the future. Shouldn't there be a robot for this by now? There is. Introducing Robotwist, the robotic jar opener that easily twists off even the toughest lids. Just set it down, press the button, and watch it work. First, the RoboStrong vise locks down tight. Then the powerful twisting action unscrews the lid. Even the toughest stuck jars don't stand a chance. Robotwist is ideal for seniors and arthritis sufferers. But let's face it, even the strongest of us sometimes meet our match. Robotwist has the muscle you need. And there's no job it can't tackle. That fat jar of gravy? Not a problem. How about that sticky jar of jam? Robotwist gets it done. And it also has the finesse to handle delicate jobs too. That's right. Whether the jar is big or small, Robotwist can open them all. And it's compact for easy storage when not in use. So don't blow a gasket trying to open tough jar lids. Stop wasting time trying techniques that never work. This is the future.